Hi everyone, it's Lynnea from LDRS Creative, and I'm going to be giving you a little sneak peek of one of the new Fuzzy Wuzzy sets that's coming to LDRS Creative later this week. This one is the Athletic Supporter, and this one is a larger set. This is a 4x6 stamp set and coordinating dies. And this one is bigger because there were just so many sports to pack into this stamp set. So you can see here there are stamps and then dies that you build together to create lots of different little sports figures. So you can create a little football, there's a golf ball, a basketball, a tennis ball, a baseball, so many different things that you can make here. This is not the card that I'm going to be making today, but I wanted to show you just an example of some of the things you can do. So there's soccer ball. You can make one of the big guys a soccer ball, but then there's also a little soccer ball that you can stamp and die cut. Same thing with like the tennis ball and the golf ball and the baseball. I'm going to pick my favorite character from this Athletic Supporter stamp set. My household, we're big football fans, and so I know that right now is not the season for football, but we have a countdown to football in our house. So I'm going to create a card with the little football guy, and it's going to be one that I can give to my son. He's young and he's about to move up to middle school. So this is going to be kind of like your little yay you did it card. But this is a design that you can easily take and change for any of these little sport characters and completely customize this to whoever you want. So I'm starting with the little oval Fuzzy Wuzzy. There's a round one if you were making like the tennis ball or the baseball or something. But since I'm going with the football, we're going with the oval. And I stamped that in some brown ink. I used milk chocolate. And then I'm going to stamp the little arms and legs with caramello ink. There are two different sets of arms, so you can really mix and match these depending on what you wanted. I wanted that little number 1 in the air, and then I just have the regular hand because he's going to be holding a little pennant flag that says yay. And then I also have the little sneakers, and I'm stamping these in blue. That happens to be my son's favorite color. But again, this is a design you can easily take. You can customize this to your favorite team's colors, or to whoever you're giving this card to, it can be their favorite colors. There are, as true to form, lots of punny little sentiments in this stamp set. So I chose to go with every day is a win with you. But you also have you've got game and your total MVP. There are 3 different sets of eyes. I went with one of them that I just thought was cute. Any one of them would work. So I stamped that and die cut that out. And then I also used the football accents, and I die cut those from white cardstock. I'm using my LDRS Creative glue pen, and I'm just adding little dots of adhesive to the back of these detail accents to create the football. And I'm just gluing them down, the little hash marks on the side and then the hash going down the center. I'll glue those on so those are flat, and then I will put just a little thin strip of foam tape behind the eyes and pop them up just a little bit. So now you can see my characters really coming together. But I do want to add a little smile mouth. So there's a little stamp that kind of looks like maybe a comma. And I just grabbed that and I'm going to stamp that with Raven Hybrid ink and just create that little smile. Now you could leave this as you wanted to with lots of white space, but I wanted to add even more football elements. So I grabbed the little football stamp from the Athletic Supporter Fuzzy Wuzzy stamp set, and I'm going back to that milk chocolate ink pad so I'll match my Fuzzy Wuzzy body. And I'm just taking this football stamp and stamping this all over a piece of white cardstock. I don't need to fill the whole thing because I'm just going to cut a little piece off. I wanted to have it be an accent at the bottom of my panel. If you know me, you know I don't really measure. I just kind of eyeball. I start by trimming off just a little bit, and then I'll trim a little more, and a little more, and a little more, until I get it to be where I want it to be. But I think that this probably ended up being about an inch and a half at the bottom of my panel. Then I also trimmed my stamped panel with that little Fuzzy Wuzzy on there. That's trimmed down to 4 by 5 1/4. I'm adding a little line of craft cardstock as just a finishing detail. I like to add this little finishing strip whenever I'm adding a pattern or another color on top of a panel. Then I'm just going to add this onto a craft card base, pop it up with some foam tape, and this is all finished. I hope you enjoyed this adorable football-themed card using the Fuzzy Wuzzies athletic supporter stamps and dies, and be on the lookout for this new release from LDRS Creative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Bye!